Hi everyone, you are welcome to solve for x and y in this beautiful system of linear equation. 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. Then 3x minus y is equal to 4. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. Let us call this equation 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 2. Now you can see this is a simultaneous equation, but in order to solve this, we need to eliminate either s or y. We want to make use of elimination method. The coefficient of s here is 5 and the coefficient of s here is 3. Then the coefficient of y here is 2 and the coefficient of y here is just minus 1. We have the constant here 16 and here is 4. Now, in order to eliminate either s or y, we need to make the coefficient equal, and one sign must be negative while the other must be positive. But here now, let us multiply the equation 1 by 1 and let's multiply by equation 2 by 2 in order to eliminate this y here. That is, if you multiply equation 1 by 1, we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. Now let us multiply this equation 2 by 2. This is 3s multiplied by 2, that is 6s. Then minus y multiplied by 2, this is minus 2y is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, this is 8. Now with this, now you can easily eliminate y. Let us add the two equations together. Then we have 5s plus 2y plus 6s minus 2y is equal to 16 plus 8. Now this cancel this. We have 5s plus 6x is equal to 16 plus 8, that is 24. Now 5s plus 6s, this is 11s, is equal to 24. We are looking for the value of s. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 11. This is divided by 11. This 11 cancel this 11 here. S is equal to 24 over 11. This is the value of s. We've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y. This equation 2 here, we have from equation 2, 3s minus y is equal to 4. Now minus y is equal to 4 minus 3x. Then if you multiply the whole of this by minus 1, y is equal to minus 4 plus 3x. Then y is equal to 3s minus 4. Now if s is equal to what? 24 over 11. Now then y is equal to 3 bracket 24 over 11 minus 4. Y is equal to 3 multiplied by 24, that is 72 over 11 minus 4. Now this is the same thing as over 1, so the SM is 11. This is, we have 72 minus 1 in 11, that is 11 times 4, that is 44 over 11. So y is equal to 72 minus 44, that is 28. 8 over 11. Then this is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are x comma y is equal to 24 over 11 comma 28 over 11. These are the values of x and y. Now let us solve this for better understanding. If you have x plus 3y is equal to 4, then x minus 3y is equal to 6. Let us solve for x and y. So here, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, the sign here is negative and the sign here is positive. The coefficient of y here are equal. You can see that the coefficient of s are equal, but the sign is positive, positive. We cannot easily eliminate s. Now, let us add the two equations together. This is s plus 3y plus s minus 3y is equal to 4 plus 6. This 3y cancel this 3y. S plus s is equal to 4 plus 6, that is 10. Now, 2s is equal to 10. Let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. This cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5. We've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y. We can solve for y using either equation 1 or equation 2, but let me make use of this equation 1 here. Then from equation 1, s plus 3y is equal to 4. Now, if s is equal to 5, this is 5 plus 3y is equal to 4. Then 3y is equal to 4 minus 5. 3y is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 1 over 3. This is the value of y. Let us check to confirm if these two answer is right or wrong. Therefore, s is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 1 over 3. To check, we have the given equation s plus 3y is equal to 4. Then number 2 is s minus 3y is equal to 6. Then 5 minus 3 bracket 1 over 3 must be equal to 4. Now this is 5 minus this cancel this 1 must be equal to 4. 5 minus 1, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Let us consider this. S minus 3y is equal to 6. Then 5 minus bracket 3 bracket minus 1 over 3 must be equal to 6. Then this is 5 minus this cancel this. We have minus 1 must be equal to 6. Then 5 minus as minus, that is plus 1, must be equal to 6. On the left hand side, 5 plus 1, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.